Simple lang, and then we'll have our Tanduay team as the judge, no? You need to post with the official product, our new flavored or rather released flavors from Tanduay for our flavored mixes, Dark and Stormy and Daiquiri. So dito kayo sa isang tart, and you guys are gonna be with that tart. Okay, all you need to do is just post, decide on the post, and then we'll have our Tanduay team judge you on who is the winner. That's very easy, right? Just post with the product, and then again, you need to post as a team, no? Dapat as a team, yung dapat walang naiba. Yung post nyo, dapat may concept. Okay? The best post with our Tanduay flavored mixes, Dark and Stormy and Daiquiri, will win these free Tanduay merchandise and Tanduay flavored mixed drinks, no? Right, only here at the Tanduay Summer Escapade. Okay, guys. So ladies, please hand them out their Tanduay products. We have Gwen, I'm forgetting their names, Gwen, Desiree, and Maria. Yes, tag-isa. O, tag-isa sila. O, iinumin yan. Dapat ubos, ha? Okay. Akala ko iinumin namin. Okay. Eto, sige, interview muna tayo. Hi, name po, tsaka taga saan po kayo? Sinong may gusto mo kayo i-shout out?
Shout out sa mga kasama ko dyan, taga Manila.
Wow! Anong pangalan niyo po, madam?
Jocelyn Delina.
Jocelyn, wow, parang pang 20 years old yung pangalan, no? Hi, Jocelyn, thank you so much. Jocelyn, hi, what's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon, taga saan ka, Sharon? Sino kasama mo?
Laden.
Sila din? Okay, same group pala, no? Your name? Wow, complete name. Okay, Ginoline, Sharon, and Josephine? Jocelyn, okay. What about you? Anong pangalan mo? Virgin, wow. Ako naman, Pato. Patutuya. Okay, so, Virgie pala. Okay, so si Virgie, thank you so much, no? Salamat sa pagpunta dito sa Bohol. Kamusta so far, Virgie, yung experience mo sa pagiging Virgie dito sa Bohol? Masaya? So far, nagagandahan ka sa mga beautiful beaches. Nag-island hopping na kayo? Hindi pa? Kahapon na kayo dumating. Okay. So nag-tour na kayo sa Bohol. Dapat i-try niyo yung ano pa bang sa Bohol kasi may London Bridge, international sa Bohol. Nakapunta na kayo. Okay, sa Bohol. Sa Mirror of the World. Okay, wow, nagandang kayo, di ba? May maganda yung mga London Bridge. Galing na kayo kahapon. So what's your name po, madam? Beth. So kasama kayo. And once again guys, from taga-saan po kayo lahat? Laki ng Manila eh. Taga Rizal. Okay, taga Rizal. Okay, thank you guys for joining our next game. Hi, what's your name? Costa from Ukraine. And what about you? Okay, that's very hard to pronounce. What was it again? Wolha. Wolha from Ukraine. Kelha. Kung saan yung tinuod? Okay. Wolha from Ukraine. What about you?
Joey.
Dawis, Ukraine? Okay, Joey. Okay, Joey, no? Ikaw, madam, unsay pangalan nato, madam, taga-asa takin siyang kuy karon? Naurot, sige-jaget. Nag-video okay. Nag-karaoke. Dawis, Ukraine.